My dear friends, from other parts of the world, like apart from India, those who are trading in US market, for them, I am going to show you the setup, how to use the our indicator. So I have used Nasdaq 100 here. You see, this I don't know, 5 minutes I will get or not here. Okay, so it might be delayed one. So in Nasdaq, using RM-GAN indicator, and also you can use Mindpro indicator. Okay. So both indicator you need to use and do the setup. See, because in 5 minutes I am not getting for Nasdaq, so I think I need to use 10 minutes or 15 minutes to get the proper setup. Yeah, 10 minutes because it's I need to purchase this Nasdaq indicator for that to use. Hence, I am not able to see the live thing. Still, I am trying to record it. You see, the most important thing is here. So in 10-minute time frame, so Nasdaq is taking support exactly at the green zone, that is GAN 45 degree. From here, it is moving up to the red zone. And once the red zone crossed, the daily resistance came, daily support came, it broken. And above this, again, it went up to the yellow zone and taking the resistance here. Okay. So as long as this B is there, you can hold the trade or you can book the profit because it's already traveled from here to here, or you can book up to the red zone because one red zone it crossed, another red zone, you might book the profit. Okay. So using the Mindpro indicator. So you can use the smaller time frame and you can trade. Okay, so this is the simple setup you can use for the US market. Second thing, let me try for S&P 500. Uh, okay, I don't know which one to use. I will try this one. Yeah, okay. So you are in a better position to understand which one to use. Okay, so I will try for 5 minute time frame. Let's try. Okay, so you see in 5 minute time frame BBB came, you would have taken entry at this candle and keeping this low as a stop loss. And exactly this is the green zone, which is the GAN zone, GAN level. So above here, it is taking the strong support. You would have taken the entry here and you would have booked the profit here or till you would have waited till SH, candle closing below this line. Okay. So S&P 500, you would have captured around about how many? 42 points. Okay. I don't know how much it is in terms of dollar in US, so that you need to calculate whether you are able to make this kind of profit earlier or not. That also I don't know. Okay. You see SH came here. You see below the green zone, you would have taken short entry, keeping this as a stop loss, and you would have got this kind of profit. Okay. See, here you don't take buy side trade because above red zone, don't try to buy here. Okay. Until it crosses above the green zone, don't take long entry. Look for short entry only. Look for only short entry. Look for only short entry. Okay. Here above green zone, look for only buy entry. Okay. Once the price reaches here, then you can look for the short entry. Or below the daily resistance also, you can take the short entry. Okay. So this is about the S&P 500. So DJI, let me check DJI. Okay. So in this also, you can see here. Here you need to select DJI indicator instead of Nasdaq. So you can select the Dow Jones. Okay. It will create the new support resistance as per the Dow Jones. These weekly resistance all support it, all it will change. See below this, you see the 5 minute candle went down in the first candle itself, but it took the support exactly at the GAN level, that is green zone. So this is the buy zone. From here to here, you would have booked the profit. You don't need to wait for B also. Here you can buy and you can exit here. Okay. Or once the B come, if you take the entry, you can wait till up to SH. Anyway, there is a weekly support and daily resistance kind of hurdles are there. You can book the profit here and or you can book the profit at the yellow zone. Once this doji candle forms, next candle you would have exited. So because this doji candle will tell you to exit. Okay, so below this you would have exited. Okay, so there is no short entry now until unless the price comes below the daily resistance. Don't take the short entry. Yes, H also you need to have confirmation. You see here from the red zone, SH came from here. Again, reversal came here. You would have exited here. Again, SH. So you would have taken a big short move in the Dow Jones. So hope this setup will help you, especially for those who are trading in US market. For them, just I wanted to show you how to use this indicator. So that is the reason I'm coming live in the market and I'm showing you. Okay. Thank you. If you have any doubts, you can ping me.